Hi everyone, welcome to Brown White Pages. Today I want to teach you how to create Twitter account cover picture. How do you do this? Let's go to my Twitter profile. You can either click on profile or click on this to go to my profile, Twitter profile. So how do you do this? I'll teach you how to create it with Canva. I'll teach you how to create Twitter cover picture with Canva. This is the cover picture. This is what they call the cover picture, the landscape. The landscape side is a cover picture. So this is what we want to create. So how do you do this? First of all, you need to know the size. You need to know the dimension. So how do you do this? You go to Google. So let's click on the new tab and let's go to Google to get the size. Basically, you can get the size from Canva. So I'm giving you two options. Get the size from Canva and get the size from Google because one of them might not be the current size. If you're lucky, both might be the current size. So let's type uh, Twitter cover your size. Whatever you like. So this is it. The cover picture size. What do we have? 400 by 400 pixel. Recommended dimension for header image are this. Okay, this is the profile image. This is the profile image. I say cover. Okay, this is the profile image. This is the header image, which is the cover. Which is what the cover picture or the header image. So this is what we want 1500 by 500. So go back to your Canva. Let's go to Canva home. 1500 by what 500. Let's go to Canva home. Let's go to Canva. Let's wait for Canva to load. I have to reload for it to load. So once you get to Canva, let's wait for this to load. This is what you need to click on. Create a design. Create a design. Once you get to Canva, you click on what? Create a design at the top. Click on create a design at the top. A drop down will appear. This is still loading. So this is it. Then let's try to check if we can get the size from Canva. So Twitter, let's type Twitter. I told you you can get the size uh, from Google or the size from Canva. So that means on Twitter is known as header. Can you see the size the same as that from Google? Let's check it so you'll be sure. Same as that from Google. So Twitter header. So let's go back to Canva. Twitter header is the same. So click on it. Let's create something new. I'm going to create a blank design. I'm going to start with something blank. So this is it. So this is in blank design. What I want to create something that is related to my brand. I want to create something that is not far from my brand name. So I would prefer to go with this for this. So I'll click here, then select it. These are already made. It's already made. You can always type something here. Let's say you are into digital marketing, you can always type digital marketing. You get digital marketing already made designs. Can you see it? So I just want something like this. Um, Let me go with okay. So my nickname in right there. So I can always hold it here to adjust it, make it good. Click here. This is if I leave this, it will be paid. So I'll take this out. Drag this. Hold, click, hold, and drag. Hold, drag. Always hold this. Click it at the edge. Drag. So I've downloaded it. To download it, you click on share, then you click on download. I was too fast, that's why I want to update it. Then you click on download here. If you click on download here, and you notice the image did not download because you are supposed to get notification here that the image have downloaded. Notice the image did not download it. Save. You need to get a, so if you get a notification that the image, if you didn't get this notification or you notice that the image didn't download, you have to click here to download it again. So let's go back to Twitter to replace this. Twitter. So once you get to Twitter, you have to click on what edit profile. When you click here, this camera icon to replace. So once you click, this is it. You apply. So then save. This is how you create a Twitter header. I think header is the right word. On Facebook, it's cover picture. This is how you create your Twitter header. This is the right word for Twitter, Twitter header. After creating it, this is also how you upload and how you place it. So so this is it now. If you notice you can't find it here, please refresh. Once you reload the page, it will appear here. So thank you all for watching. Please subscribe, like, share, and then comment on my video. Comment with the kind of video, the kind of video you want me to create and upload for you. Please go to my YouTube channel, Brown White Pages, to watch digital marketing videos and videos on phones and PC trick tips and hacks. Thank you all for watching. Bye.